You know what to do. You've watched videos, you've made plans, but you still don't start.
Pause,
Why?
pause, pause.
The first problem is overthinking. You wait for the perfect plan, the perfect time, the perfect version of yourself. But perfection is a trap. The second problem is fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of looking stupid. So you choose safety and stay exactly where you are. The third problem is no system. You rely on motivation, but motivation disappears, and when it's gone, so is your progress. So how do you fix this? Start small. Not perfect, not big, just small. Action beats planning every time. Then build a system. Do it daily, even when you don't feel like it. That's how discipline is built. And finally, accept failure. Failure is not the end. It's feedback. The faster you fail, the faster you grow. So stop waiting. Start moving. That's the difference.